You probably saw these kinds of ads for eyeglasses where it is clear through the glasses but everything else is blurry. In this 1-minute tutorial, we're gonna learn how to create that in Photoshop. We'll be using this photo and these eyeglasses. First, we need to duplicate the background. Select the background layer and press Ctrl Command and J to make a copy. Now right click and convert it into a smart object so any effect applied in this layer can be changed later. Now go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Increase it up to a level where everything is very blurry, but still you can get a rough idea about what's in the picture. In this case, around 70 pixels will do. Now click the mask icon to create a mask. Select the brush tool. Pick the black color. You can switch between foreground and background color by clicking this icon, or you can press X. Now we just need to paint with black. We know in mask, black hides and white shows. You can turn off the mask temporarily by holding the shift and left clicking. You can also hold Alt option and click to go inside the mask and check if you missed any areas or not. Here I can see I missed some areas, so I'm gonna paint with black. And there you have it.